Good morning, children. We are continuing the chapter Arithmetic Progression, exercise 5.2, question number 7. Find the 31st term. Find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is, A11th term is A11, A11 is 38 and 16th term, that is A16, equal to 73. Find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So A11, all of you know A plus 10D equal to 38. A16 is A plus 15D equal to 73. Now you have to solve these two equations. A plus 15D equal to 73. A plus 10D equal to 38. Minus 5D 35. D is equal to 35 by 5 is 7. So D is equal to 7. Now this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Substitute the value of D equal to 7 in equation 1. You can substitute the value of D in any of this equation. So A plus 10D, 10 into 7 is 38. A is equal to 38 minus 7D. So A is equal to 38 minus 7D, that is minus 32. So you are getting A is equal to minus 32 and D is equal to 7. So you need to write down 31st term. So 31st term, so 31st term of AP, that is A31. A31 equal to A30D. A is minus 32 plus 30 into 7, that is minus 32 plus 210. Minus 32 plus 210, it is 210 minus 32, 8, 178. So therefore 31st term of AP is 178. Once again, you need to find out the 31st term of AP. A11 is given, that 11th term is given. 11th term is A11 and 16th term is given, that is 72. So A11 is A plus 10D, that is 38. A16 is A plus 5D, 15D is equal to 73. Both the equation you have to solve. You can eliminate A from here. 5D is equal to 35, D is equal to 7. Substitute the value of 7 in any of this equation. So I have substituted in for equation 1, A plus 10 into 7, 38, then A is equal to minus 32. Once you get A minus 32 and D 7, A 31st is equal to A plus 30D. So you are getting the value 178. Now 8th question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find 29th term. So an AP consists of 50 terms. So number of terms in the AP is 50. What is given? I am going to write down third term. Third term is A3. A3 is given 12. The last term, already we have learned the last term L, that is denoted by AN, that is equal to 106. So you are taking the last term as AN, that is 106. But you see here, N is 50. N is 50 means this N will become 50. Therefore, A50 equal to 106. So that is the 50th term is 106. Third term is 12. So now what is A50? A50 is A plus 14 and D. 14 and D, that is 106. A3 is A plus 2D, that is equal to 12. So these are the two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. As we have done earlier, once you get two equations, you can eliminate A, the 0, 49D minus 2D is 47D. So 94, 47D is 94, D is equal to 94 by 47 is 2. Once you got D is equal to 2, again you substitute this D is equal to 2 in any of this equation. I am taking the second equation, A plus 2D is equal to, substitute D is equal to 2 in equation 2. So you are getting A plus 2D, 2 into 2 is 12. So that is A is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8. So now you got A is equal to 8 and D is equal to, you need to find out 29th term. So here what are the given things? AP consists of 50 terms. So N is equal to 50. Third term is A3. A3 is 12. Last term, that is denoted by AN. AN is equal to 106. But N, the value is 50. Therefore A50 is 106. So A50 is A plus 14 and D, that is 106. A3 is A plus 2D, that is 12. So you have to do the elimination method. A can be eliminated and the value of D is 2. Substitute the value of 2 in any of the equation and you got the value of A as 8. Now you need to find out A29. What is A29? A plus 28D, that is A is 8, 28 into D is 2. So 8 plus 56, that is 64. Therefore, what will write down? 29, the term of AP is 64. Now question number 9. Third and ninth term of AP are given. So A3 is given, that is 4. Ninth term of AP, that is A9 is minus 8. Which term of AP is 0? Here A3 is given 4 and A9 is given minus 8. So till now two questions we have done it. You are going to get two equations from here both equation you can solve and you will get the value of A and D. So again A3 is A plus 2D is equal to 4. A9, this is A3. Then A9 is A plus 8D equal to minus 8. Minus plus minus 6D equal to plus 4. Then what is the value of D? So 4 plus 8 is 12. So therefore minus 6D is equal to 12. So what is D? D is equal to 12 by minus 6 is minus 2. So D is equal to minus 2. Then substitute D is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. So A plus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So A plus minus 4 is 4, that is A is equal to 8. So you need to see in which term of AP is 0. So you have to take, let us take AN equal to 0. So AN equal to 0 means what is that? A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 0. So AN is A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 0. A is equal to 8 plus A is equal to 8 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 2 equal to 0. So then what is that? 8 plus N minus 1 into minus 2 equal to 0. Here 8 N minus 1 into minus 2 equal to minus 8. N minus 1 equal to minus 8 by minus 2 is 4. So therefore N is equal, N minus 1 is equal to 4, N is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore A5 is 0. So fifth term of AP is 0. Fifth term of AP is 0. So I hope all of you understood. So A3 is 4, A9 is 4. You solve this A3 and A9. So you are getting the value of A as 8 and D as minus 2. And which term of AP is 0 means you have to take the AN as 0. A plus N minus 1 into D. A is 8 and D is minus 2. Substituted here. N minus 1 into minus 2. That is equal to this 8 to come to this side. Then N minus 1 is equal to minus 8 by minus 2 is 4. Then minus 1 to this side. N is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. Then fifth term of AP is 0. Now 10th question, it is given 17th term of AP. 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term. So therefore A17 is more than 10th term. Here A17 minus 10th term A10. So what is the difference between these two? It is equal to 7. So 17th term exceeds its 10th term. So A17 is exceeding A10. That is A17 minus A10 is 7. So it is A plus 16D minus See, after minus a10 comes, that you have to put it in the bracket because there are two terms, a plus 9d. So when you simply write down a plus 16d minus a plus 9d, this will become, this is wrong. So after minus this a10 comes means you have to put it in the bracket and then you have to open the bracket. So a plus 16d minus a minus 9d is 7. 9d, 16d minus 9d is 7d, 7d is 7, d is equal to 1. Now 11th, which term of AP 3, 15, 27, 39 dash dash will be 132 more than its 54th term. So which term of AP, this is our AP, will be 132 more than this 54th term. So what is our 3, 15, 27, 13 and this is our AP. What is value of A? A is 3, D is equal to 15 minus 3 is 12. Question you come by, which term of AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? So I am going to write down nth term is 132 more than its 54th term. Nth term is An, that is equal to A54 plus 132. An is A plus n minus 1 into D. A54 is A plus 53, D plus 132. This A and D cancel. When we substitute the value of A and D, n minus 1 into D is 12. 53 into D plus 132. That is 53 into 12. Plus 132. 760 each. So here you are getting n minus 1 into 12 is 768. N minus 1 is 768 by 12. So n minus 1 is 64. N is 64 plus 1 is 65. Therefore, A65, that is 65th term is the 132 more than is 54th term. Therefore, with this AP, when you take A65, that will be 132 more than A4 plus 132. That is the 65th term. Therefore, the record term here is A65. Two APs have same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 term. So you have to consider two APs. In both the APs, common difference is same. So let us take first term of first AP as A. Common difference is D. Second AP, first term of AP is, first term of second AP is capital A. Common difference is same as D because it is given both the APs are having same common difference. First term of first AP is A and first term of second AP is capital A. Common difference of both is D. So I am going to write down A100. A100 is A plus 99D. A100 is A plus 99D. Subtract minus minus minus, that is A100 minus A100. This will become A minus A. This will become 0. This is A100 minus A100. So you are getting A100 minus A100 is A minus A. What is A minus A? A minus A is the difference between their 100 term is 100. So you are getting A minus, it is given the difference between their 100 term is 100. Therefore 100 difference between 100 term is A100 minus A100. So therefore this side it is 100, that is A minus A. So you are getting A minus A is 100. So difference between their first term is 100. So now I am going to take the difference between 1000 terms. So you want to take A1000 minus A1000. What is A1000? A plus 99D minus, this one is capital A plus 999D. So that is A plus 999D minus A minus 99D. This will be cancelled, so it is coming A minus A. What is the value of A minus A? A minus A is 100. Therefore, the difference between the 1000 term is also 100. When you take the difference between this 500 term, that also it is the difference between the first term, that is also 100. Any number, see you are taking the 2000 term, the difference between the 2000 term is also 100 because always the difference will be the difference between the first term. The difference between the first term you got here as 100. Therefore, so I hope all of you understood. So it is 100, difference between the 100 term you got it as the difference between the first term, that is 100. The difference between 1000 term is also the difference between the first term, that is 100. Therefore you take difference between the 500 term also the difference between the first term, that is 100, because difference between the 1000 term is 100. So any term you take the 20,000 term. So therefore A 20,000 minus capital A 2000, that is also 100.